Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad for weight loss. To begin, select a generous base of leafy greens like spinach or mixed greens. These are packed with vitamins and minerals. Next, pile on a colorful assortment of non-starchy vegetables such as cucumbers, bell peppers, and tomatoes to boost fiber and keep calorie counts low. Finally, ensure your salad includes a lean protein source, like grilled chicken breast, hard-boiled eggs, or a half cup of lentils, to promote fullness and muscle maintenance. Building on our foundation, let's enhance the nutritional profile. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like 1/4 of an avocado or a tablespoon of walnuts. These provide satiety and essential fatty acids. It's crucial to avoid high-calorie additions such as sugary dried fruits, excessive cheese, or fried toppings, which can quickly undermine your weight loss goals. Always prioritize whole, unprocessed ingredients to ensure your salad is packed with the most beneficial nutrients and avoids unnecessary additives. The dressing can make or break your healthy salad. Opt for light, oil-based dressings or a simple homemade vinaigrette, using no more than 2 tablespoons. Measuring your dressing carefully is vital, as even healthy options can add significant calories if overused. Remember to fill at least 2/3 of your plate with vegetables to ensure you're getting ample volume and nutrients without excess calories, helping you feel satisfied and stay on track with your weight loss journey. To sustain your salad diet for long-term weight loss, variety is key. Regularly change your greens, proteins, and vegetables to prevent boredom and ensure you're getting a wide spectrum of nutrients. Preparing ingredients in advance, like chopping vegetables or cooking a batch of chicken, makes assembling a healthy salad quick and convenient, fitting easily into a busy schedule. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay hydrated and healthy on your journey. Consistency and smart choices will lead to lasting results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.